Hello, can I get a heart? Thank you. I'm collecting hearts. Yes. Come on. Come on. Bye-bye. Hello guys, Xin Chào. Kumusta kayong lahat? I am Dave and I am the Puripot Traveler on Facebook. And for tonight's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Hanoi, Vietnam. We're in the old quarter. Dumaatikabu po ngayon dahil Sunday. Kung pupunta kayong Vietnam, you can book the activities na we book. Comment ko sa baba yung links. And of course, you can also use my promo code para sa 5% off. Okay? Dave Kino. And let's see how many hearts we'll get. Flowers. Just Hanoi at 4 p.m. Excuse me, is it okay to collect hearts? Heart, is it okay to collect heart? Yes. How about you? Thank you. Hello, is it okay to collect heart? Thank you. Is it okay to collect heart? Thank you. Yeah, I vlog. I'm from the Philippines. Nice to meet you.
I also have some friends in the Philippines.
In the Philippines.
Mindanao.
Mindanao. So you know Mindanao.
No, I don't go to the Mindanao. Manila also.
Alright. Ah, you've been there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And Bohol.
Bohol. Can I collect a heart? Yay. Thank you. How about you, baby girl? Thank you. Okay, so we made it here sa Hidden Alley. And the recommendation here is 1 salty milk coffee. Yeah. Or salty milk coffee. Yeah, yes. Thank you. How about you?
Okay.
Thank you. Are you students?
Yeah, we are studying university.
University. How old are you guys?
20.
20 you? 18. Oh, so young. Thank you. Bye-bye. Mga students dito yung staff. Let's go. Hello, can I get a heart? Thank you. Can I get a heart? Thank you. Can I get a heart? Thank you. Yes, right. So this is Hanoi at 6 p.m. Nagsisimula na pong dumami ang tao dito sa Hanoi. Hello. Is it okay to get heart? Yay. Sa tirador ng libreng pagkain, kunin natin yung pagkain ni Claude kasi hindi niya kaya yung maanghang. Okay lang naman.
Hindi naman maanghang.
Baka mainit lang, Claude.
Basta not maanghang like her.
Let's go! Hello. Can I collect a heart? Can I collect a heart? Thank you. Nandito po at live. Live na live po ang kanilang paggawa ng kanilang pho. Parang okay lang sakal dito na yung singilila kada tao, hindi per group. Kasi sa Pinas, 'di ba, dapat per group. Dito parang silang una mag-volunteer kung individual yung payment. Ah, yeah. Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. Can I get a heart? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Ate Andy, for finally buying the heart.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, can I get a heart? Yes. Thank you. Yeah. Hello, is it okay to get a heart? Thank you.
Yeah.
How about you? Thank
Yeah.
you.
Do you want?
3 taste?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Yes. Come on. Come on. Bye-bye. Hello, I'm collecting hearts. Hello, is it okay to... Yes, thank you. Hello. Is it okay to make heart? Thank you. Hello. Can I get the heart? Thank you.
初次见你，一双迷人的眼睛，在我脑海里，你的身影挥散不去。握你的双手，感觉你的温柔，真的有点透不过气。你的天真，我想珍惜。看到你受委屈，我会伤心。
Excuse me, is it okay to collect card?
只怕我自己会爱上你。